Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to do a lesson about peeling and slicing a banana. We used to have bananas a lot for snack in our class, didn't we? They're so yummy. Okay, so first of all, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure you've washed them. We've already washed ours and we've got our aprons on, so we're ready to go. First of all, Amelia, would you like to show me this carrying the tray and how heavy it is?
Not heavy at all.
It's not heavy at all. Should be fine, right? Do you want to try, Evelyn? Okay. 2 strong hands carrying that
It's
tray.
not heavy at all.
Good. So we're ready to start. We're going to start by smelling the banana. And do you know what color it is?
Yellow.
It smells so yummy.
Yummy.
I like the smell of bananas. And the tools that we're going to use are tongs. Do you remember using the tongs? These are great for your hand strength, okay? And a knife. So we're going to use a plastic knife. It's not sharp, but you still need to be careful with it because you could poke somebody. You always want to keep the end pointing down. Okay, I'm going to show you how to peel the banana. Evelyn, would you like to peel a part of the banana?
Okay.
Oh, okay, Amelia's turn. Great. So there's our banana. It has one little brown spot on it, but you know what? Sometimes those parts taste fine. They taste kind of sweet. And you don't want to handle the food more than you need to because that can put your germs on the food, right? We always put our peel away for our compost bin. Now, I'm going to take the knife. Watch carefully because you're going to be doing it next. So after I slice the banana, I'm going to turn the knife so that the banana slice falls off to the side. Amelia, would you like to try? Nice and slow. Can you hold the banana with your other hand? She slices it and then she turns. Slice and turn like that. Very nice, Amelia. Whoops.
What about my turn?
Okay, oh, it's Evelyn's turn now. Thank you, Amelia. I hope you're watching. 2 hands. Slice and turn. Yeah. Get that banana off. Wow. See? Just about any age can do this for our toddler classroom. Okay, when we get to the end of the banana, we're going to practice using our tongs to transfer it into the bowl for our snack time. So, Amelia, would you like to go first? She's going to, yeah, look, our banana kind of ended up like a little snake. He's all wiggly.
I was going to say that.
Yeah? There you go. So you can put your pieces into the bowl. It takes a lot of practice squeezing those tongs, getting the pieces into the bowl. It's good coordination of your skills and builds your muscles. Okay, let's let Evelyn have a turn with some of those. Here you go, Evelyn. Use your strong hand muscles. Wow, nice job. Okay, we're ready with our delicious banana snack. So now is when I would take the snack to my table where I want to go eat it. Are you going to have some right now? Oh, they're going to fight over the banana. Okay, so let's take that over to the table where we're going to eat. And then I would be in charge of washing up the dishes. You don't want to leave a mess in your kitchen for next time. See you soon.